In this video, I'll show Instagram profile add banners option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available, tap on hold Instagram app, click on app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Instagram, click on profile icon, add banners option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.